Make money online listening to music in 2022. In this video, I'll show you how to earn money online while simply enjoying music, which is how I recently made over $1,000. You will need to visit mixkit.co as soon as possible using a laptop or a smartphone with a brand new account. Again, mixkit.co is involved. As you can see, mixkit.co is a website where you can find excellent free components you may use in your projects. We won't be starting any new initiatives, but in a moment, we'll use this website to listen to music and earn money from it. I'll demonstrate how you can start making money while simply listening to tracks right now. As you can see, US dollars are valued at $14, $25, $48, and even $57. As I scroll down, I can see that this strategy is being used by people worldwide to earn money online while only listening to music. By doing this, if you listen to one song, you'll be paid $8. So let's say you listen to 50 songs a day, you'll be making $400 from just that. Keep in mind, there is no limit to the songs you can listen to. Just be sure to have your smartphone or laptop ready. This method is free, so there is no investment required and is suitable for beginners. You can do this even if you have never earned money online. But first, welcome to Haven Finance. On this channel, we give you the most current strategies for making money online. Make sure you hit the like button so you never miss out on any money-making opportunities online again. Anyway, let's get back into the video. You can see every single music track we'll be using to be able to make a profit from this side hustle. This website we're on right now is called Mixkit. You can use any audio samples for free without giving credit or by registering on their website. There are countless songs on this website. Today, I'll be teaching you at least 3 unique techniques to help you profit from this unique platform. Please click here and scroll up to the genre section. You may see the various music genres offered on this website by simply hovering your mouse over it. Open either the acoustic genre or the hip-hop genre category if you want to see something even more unique that they have in store for you. Let's listen to this music by clicking the play button. Since there are 1,000 of songs, we won't require you to listen to them all now. You will find this collection of free acoustic tracks that you can download for free, as well as hundreds of free downloadable hip-hop tracks on this page. Please locate the download button that is immediately adjacent to the play button. This song can be downloaded to your computer by clicking the download button. Please follow the same procedure to download this other track to your computer after the first one. You may download as many music or songs as possible to your computer to make the most excellent money with this strategy. Right now, we will demonstrate how you can earn money with all of these downloaded songs. Please visit the up-forever.org. This website will undoubtedly pay you by simply submitting your files and pictures. We will be posting the tracks we just downloaded from Mixkit to this website and receive payment each time someone downloads one of our music from up-forever. As I indicated, you can use this simple method to generate quick online money. You will only need to return to Mixkit, select any track from these categories, download it, and then upload it to up-forever. For example, downloads from the United States, Canada, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates are in tiers 1 and 2, respectively, while downloads from the rest of the world are in tier 4, which means that countries in level 4 will pay you at least $3. In contrast, those in Tier 3 and Tier 2 will pay you less. This service provides a 4-tier payment structure that will group your earnings based on where the majority of your downloads came from, and it also gives you the option to market your files. They offer you the most electronic bank widely used even in local and Arab countries to facilitate the arrival of payments wherever you are. They have PayPal option, Payer Web Money, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Western Union, Cash Plus, and several others. Additionally, their minimum payout is just as low as $1. This is another exciting thing we have to mention here. Before we move further, be sure that you are subscribed and have liked the video. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Once again, let's focus on making that capital. Go ahead and click the sign up button below. The sign up process is simple and takes less than a minute. After completing the CAPTCHA, click the sign up button, then enter your username, password, and email address in the respective boxes. By the way, you can choose to sign in with your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account if that's what you'd like. When your account is ready, click Welcome and then choose My Account. This will lead you to your dashboard. This is a brand new account and I'll walk you through setting it up so you can make earnings quickly and easily. Select your desired payment option and click the payment details box to finish the setup. Choose the appropriate category from this menu and click Save. Now, navigate to the left side and select this page's Upload Files button. The music files that we previously downloaded will now be uploaded to this website. One thing I'll say before you go ahead and begin downloading is to make sure to carefully read the warnings at the top here. First and foremost, refrain from uploading any content that is against the terms of service to avoid having your account terminated. Secondly, ensure your ad blocker is set to prevent the halt of the upload process. By clicking this option, we will now begin uploading the music file. Another great tip is to choose public so that others can access your music file once it's ready, which you will see right here. Make sure to include the song's title and the artist name as an added bonus. Additionally, you can accomplish that by visiting the Mixkit website, finding the song's title and the artist name, and then pasting those details directly into this box to optimize your files. Once you're finished, click the Start Upload option. Depending on your internet connection, the process will be completed in a few seconds and the uploaded files will be saved. Next, you'll select a price for your music file so that you'll get paid at least $7 each time someone downloads it. Repeat the process as often as possible, returning to the Mixkit website and downloading the music tracks. If you set this up correctly, you should be able to get paid for those music tracks for a very long time. That concludes things for the time being. Click here to view the following video to see how you can earn money by typing words if you want to learn more methods to make money online. You can also subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.